Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, and to my subscribers, nice to have you back. Today I'm reviewing a piece of garden furniture, the Keter Unity XL, frequently marketed as a drinks table, a garden storage table, but I'm using it as a barbecue preparation table. When I'm grilling on my barbecue, I can now have everything to hand before I start cooking. Beneath the worktop there's ample space for plates, cutlery and glasses for when I've finished. The Unity was delivered as a flat pack. Assembly was quite straightforward and took about 40 minutes. Most components just snapped together. However, I would recommend a powered screwdriver, as the few screws that are required were quite stiff. The unit is made from a polypropylene material with a wood grain finish, and the colour is espresso brown. The worktop is made from stainless steel, which is ideal for food preparation and is very easy to clean down and sanitize. At the one end is a steel bar on which to hang barbecue tools. 4 hooks are supplied, together with one essential tool, a bottle opener. At the opposite end is a handy tray and kitchen roll holder. The tray holds all of those items which are nice to have to hand when preparing food and cooking at the barbecue. 2 of the feet have very discreet wheels for easy movement, and the other 2 have adjusters to ensure everything is steady on uneven surfaces. Beneath the worktop, this cupboard offers a generous amount of storage space, ideal for those items that are frequently used outdoors and need to be kept clean, dry and tidy. So to sum up, the Unity XL is sturdy, easy to assemble, it's designed to be left outdoors, although a cover would be useful. It offers generous storage space and makes the ideal place for preparing and serving food at a barbecue. At the moment, I haven't found anything I dislike about the Unity XL. These are all my own views. I have no sponsorship or affiliation and make no financial gain from this video. If you'd like to know more about the Unity XL, then please sub the channel. All you have to do is click the button, ding the bell and leave your question in the comments section below. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Well, that's all for this time, so until the next time, it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.